Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cilla here, and if you're new and you haven't already subscribed, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today I will be showing you how to make aloe vera oil for extreme hair growth. Start off with my fresh aloe vera leaf by cutting half of it, which is all that I need for my oil. And then guys, if you have any left over, just wrap the tip of it with a cling film and put it in the fridge, and this will keep it fresh for when you need to use it again. So I'm going to get rid of the sharp edges of both sides of the aloe vera and then cut it into half and start dicing it into smaller pieces. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It contains fatty acids and amino acids that are rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E. It also promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair, leaving it smooth and shiny. So guys, aloe vera also contains latex, which some people are allergic to. So that's exactly what I'm showing you. If you can see that yellow stain on the tissue, it is latex. A lot of people are allergic to this, so just make sure you give it a really good wash before using it. I have already washed it, but after cutting it into the smaller pieces, I like to go back and give it another wash, soak it in the water before proceeding to my next step. So once you're done soaking it, just take the aloe vera out and make sure you pat it dry with a tissue or a kitchen towel, because you don't want the aloe to contain any water, as that can make your oil go bad really quick. I'm going to put all my aloe vera pieces in a blender, and then I'm going to blend it until there are no bits. So here I have my blended aloe vera, and the next step is to get a pot and pour all the contents into the pot and then mix it with your carrier oil of your choice. I will be using avocado oil and extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to add all the blended aloe vera to the pot and give it a good stir to make sure that the aloe vera is properly mixed with the oils before I put it on the cooker. So I'm going to cook this on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes and keep stirring it as I go along. So while it's cooking, you'll begin to notice that the oil will start separating from the aloe vera, and this is how you know that your oil is ready, because the aloe vera will start to clump together. So our oil is ready, and I did let it sit for about 20 minutes to cool down, and now I'm going to strain it into my jar. I am extra, so I do strain it twice to make sure that there are no bits left in the oil. So here I'm straining it into my applicator bottle, and guys, here we have our aloe vera oil. And you can use this for hot oil treatment, you can use it for scalp massages, you can use it as part of your LCO method or LOC method to moisturize your hair and to promote hair growth. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so, and see you in my next video. Bye.